So, yeah, okay, she's joined.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good, Janvi. Thank you so much, first of all, for joining me and coming and accepting to come live with me. That's a very, very big thing for me, at least. So, yeah, thank you so much. And for the viewers, I want to introduce her. She is Mrs. Janvi Bajaj, and she is Mrs. India Queen of Substance 2018 and 19, and Mrs. India of popularity. But more than this, being a beauty queen is there, but she is queen of hearts in my eyes, because I always have seen her the most humble person, the most, because I believe beauty begins when you are humble inside. So she is an example of that humbleness, and she is the beauty queen in my eyes in every way. So thank you for being you, Janvi, and that's the most important thing.
Firstly, I would like to give you a tight slap because you're thanking me to join you. I'm always there for you because I feel the kind of work you are doing. I would like to, because I feel that at this time, at this particular time, this pandemic time, people are really going. There is a lot of anger and frustration. So you
Right.
are really helping too many of them. Maybe even a few people will get inspired by whoever are you're calling. Like I saw you had called nurses and doctors and I don't know who all. So I was really happy. So thank you from their side to you for taking this amazing step. So it's
Thank you,
my
dear. That
privilege to
means
be a part of your show.
thank you so much, dear. And the main thing is, like you said, even if we inspire one person, also that is also a
Yeah.
big thing, because
Yeah.
the step matters. And that is what the topic for today I chose for you, especially, is building positivity, and at this time, and how you are also using your platform. You are also a big influencer. You have so many followers, and you are into branding things also. So how important is branding such pandemic also, and why I'm using the branding word for pandemic, because it is also something that you have to choose and post. There are many information that is good for people, and many information that is not very positive for people. So you use it in a very good way. I keep following your stories and everything in whole this time. I have seen you posting important stuff, and the most important thing is in the most crucial time. Now, from like 15 days, we are seeing the recovery post, and we are seeing some positive post, but before that it was only going on, moment we open it, and we were feeling disheartened. But at that time also, I saw that you were posting positivity,
Yeah.
like in terms of any quotes or anything. So,
Yeah.
what is your meaning of, building positivity at this time using your influence?
I feel, Anika, like there are too many things which have come before also, and things will come later on also. Like, this corona thing is not the only thing. The only thing is it has become on a large level. That is there.
Yes.
But I feel that people are really affected with corona so much. Like when you get to know about someone's death, the first thing you ask is, he died? How? He had corona. Matlab, you are not concerned with the death of a person, but you are concerned with how he died. If he has died of
Yes, yes.
cancer, heart attack, it's fine, but if he has died of corona, it's bad. Or oh my
Mm.
god, it's a big issue.
Mm.
So
Mm.
I always post what I feel. I post as a personal things. I think, take the things personally, I post those things. And I
Yes.
feel like people are really in a shock, you can say, literally, with corona thing. Like
Mm.
they're going mad with they're not going down. They are like, it has become a
Yeah.
made it a, already mentally everybody is disturbed. And I feel that I really get influenced with positive things in life. it's about us, how we see things in life. uh, I have read the story of the missing tile. Like, a guy had made a very beautiful swimming pool, and he called his friend to see the swimming pool. The friend came, and it was amazing, out of the world. He was so influenced with that, he was so impressed with that, that he said that, wow, he turned, he saw there's a tile missing. So he forgot to say that, oh, it's amazing swimming in the swimming pool. So it's not, sometimes we miss out on good things in life, and we
Right.
only concentrate on the things missing in our life. So I have started really being thankful for the things which God has gifted me in my life. And I will suggest everybody to be thankful for what you have. We are having a glass of water, we should say thanks. We are having rice and dal also, we should say thanks. So we should be thankful and grateful for things we have, rather than cribbing or crying for things with what we don't have. So if we'll follow
Very
this
true.
thing, we'll always be happy in life.
Yeah, very, very true, Janvi. Because, like, right now, everything, how important is social media? First of all, I want to know from you, because you are a social media personality. And, it is kind of a blessing also, but it is kind of a pressured job also. Because, what kind of, influence you are making on people, that matters a lot. So, how important is social media right now? And what kind of influence it should be according to you?
According to me, social media is the only thing which is playing the most important part during this pandemic, because we are unable to go out. We are unable to, talk, face to face talk with people and all. So the only thing we are doing whole day is we are just scrolling FB and Insta and YouTube and whatever. And I feel that I really get influenced with too many people. So I was only following people whom you can rely 100% on, like Dr. KK Agarwal, who just passed away. I was following him blindly. And there are few other doctors also, and few other people also. So I feel that if you follow good people, and I was sharing only his things mostly for
Right.
corona thing, like, you should wear mask, or you should do this and that, whatever. Because he was a very known person, and very, he was a, I think, Bharat Ratna awardee also. So I
Yeah,
was
yeah,
like,
yeah.
okay, then, it's for me. Because if I saw only 1 lakh people were following him. So I was like, okay, what about others? Maybe 10 are following me who are not following him. So if I can forward his things to other people who are not following him, I think my job will be done. And I
Yeah.
have seen so many doctors uh, post that, people had made a lot of mess out of this, like, corona is this and that, they're too scared. Doctors are saying, yes, you should be scared, but if you're taking precautionary measures, if you're going out, or you're staying at home, then I think you need not worry. And
Mhm.
actually, things are happening that people are falling sick because of taking tensions. There are so many old people are there at
Yes,
home,
yes,
and because of
yes.
taking too much of tension, they are getting heart attack, and so many brain clots and this and that. So I think we should take it little lightly. We are
Yes.
too tensed about corona thing. So this is what I really feel like saying. And I think, even if few people are listening to me, and even few people are literally, they think that I'm saying it right and they are following it, I think my work will be done.
Yeah. And I have spoken to many doctors in this
Yeah.
whole like 10 to 15 days of span. And, I have heard so many things that, it's not obviously it is a pandemic. It is a big thing. It affects very badly to
Yeah.
someone. And, but we should at last be very positive about it and, take precautions. And now too there is vaccine, so whenever you get a vaccine, take the vaccine. Don't think
Yeah.
about it too much, and just take a vaccine. So I think,
Yeah.
like you said, building positivity and taking care of yourself will only make us fight it.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. You're already taking, we already fighting by doing precautionary measures, and also it's okay. Mentally we can relax. We can just, and whatever has to happen has to happen, whether you sit at home or you go out. If it has to happen, it will. You cannot run away from things which are you are destined for. But I think you should always relax your mind. I think meditation is a must in today's world,
Yes,
like
yes,
alom
yes.
vilom, to relax yourself. I think we should uh, listen to meditation music, and we should do meditation for some time in a day. It's really
Yeah,
necessary.
so that is now my second kind of a question. First of all, I want to tell everyone that Janvi has an amazing kid, and she is an amazing mother. And obviously people will not believe seeing you because you look so damn gorgeous. Okay, so I want to
But
know
that
that
is
what
you.
is the secret. Okay, what is the secret of your positivity, first of all, and how in this time are you maintaining your mental health?
I think by following so many quotes, one quote also makes a very big difference, Anika. Like I'm telling you,
Yeah.
uh, so many quotes have changed my life. Like before I used to live only pleasing people, other people. If
Yes.
10 people are there, I used to feel I have to please, I have to see that smile on everybody's face. If someone is not convinced with my thing or someone is angry with me, so I used to feel, no, 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 okay, 8 are done, what about those two? Why are those two people are not happy? But now I've started feeling that first of all, we should start thinking about our own happiness. The biggest
Yes.
thing for being positive or being happy or being healthy, because only a happy mind can be a healthy mind. So I
Yeah,
feel
very
that
true.
you should really feel about your happiness. And yes, you should try to keep people happy. You should definitely try to I don't think we should fight with someone and all, but you're not a tree. Walk away, move on in life. If you're not getting along well with someone, or you're not, it's okay. It's not necessary that 10 people should be convinced with you, or they should be, they should get along well with you. So just move on. You're not a tree. This is what I've learned. All these things automatically bring happiness when you're mentally happy. So somewhere down the line, you start becoming positive because there is no negativity around. So if you think about your happiness, that will definitely get positivity in your life. This is what I have applied in my life, and I can see a big difference.
Yes, I totally agree with that, Janvi, 100%. Because you have to have that one, filter or a wall, kind of a wall where only some people can enter. There has to be a wall in your heart or your mind that has to be filtered. So I feel that. So I know that you are a very very positive person. I have always seen you just smiling, and the way you handle things also, it is very very commendable. So yeah, let's move on. And my next thing will be, Janvi, how has this social media in this span of 1 year, it has grown like rapidly. So what do you think? What are the pros and cons of it?
It again depends on only you, what kind of social media you want to follow, what kind of
Right.
people you want to follow. Because on Instagram, on FB, on whatever, there are thousands of lakhs of people. So it all
Right.
depends on you, and you will try to choose people uh, as the kind of person you are. You
Right.
automatically follow positive people, or there are so many people who are following news channels, too many news channels with lots of negativity, which who are only showing how many people died of corona, how many people today are admitted in the hospital, oxygen cylinders are not available. But I think you should see things that how many people have recovered. They should show more of these things. So I
Yes.
don't
Yes.
watch news channel. I only keep myself updated, because I feel that even knowledge is good, but too much of knowledge is not good.
Very
You
true.
should
I
not
know.
yeah, people are trying to, everybody's trying to become a doctor, like like black fungus is on, so people are like, okay, black fungus, okay, people are dying with black fungus. Black people are not dying of black fungus, and it is not infectious disease. It's happening because we are not, again, people are, yes, definitely they are in the hospital and they are suffering because of that, and it's happening because of the dampness of mask and surrounding and all. So because of that it's happening and it is bad, but they are thinking like if a person will sneeze, the black fungus will happen to them also. That the people are only and only trying to get negative knowledge from everywhere. This is what I feel. People should, they should strain their knowledge. They should try to take the happy knowledge and good knowledge which is good for their health. And because with whatever has to happen and happen, so why do we want to stick? Since 1.5 year I'm seeing people only cribbing and crying for corona. Corona ho gaya, corona ho gaya. Okay, ho gaya, fine, everybody is fighting, whole world is not earning money, everybody's going through problems in life, but then fine, why can't we think about good things which were happening before? And nothing is permanent. After day, night will come. After night, day will come. It has to come.
Yes.
So
Yes.
sometimes you're sad, sometimes you're happy. The space will definitely go, and we have to be positive. We have to be, we have to keep our fingers crossed that things will definitely change. I'm sure the time is going to come soon.
Yeah, definitely. And I think, like you said, mostly, we see pages and we see some things that are very negative and it impacts. Not everyone is mentally strong. Not everyone, is, that strong enough to take that bad news and not think about it. So, like
Yeah,
you said, it's very important for everyone to choose what you are seeing. Like you
yeah.
said, it is our choice among people also. If we feel that someone is not treating us well, it's our choice to shut them down. So in the same way, in social media also, it is your choice to shut something down which is
I don't
just
think
making
anybody is
you
forcing us.
disturbed.
Is anybody
Yeah.
forcing us with a gun? Like, you have to
Yeah.
follow me, you have to do this. It's your
Yeah.
choice. I think I
Yeah.
never blame anybody. If something has happened, I feel it's okay. It's my choice to be there or to move on. So I feel we should stop blaming each other because she told me this is the reason that has happened. She told
Yeah.
me this
Yeah.
is the reason. I think we should stop doing that. So I think
I
our life
think
will be
people
sorted.
I think people take the safe side by blaming, and just it's better to blame someone and not understand what is really happening. So,
Yeah.
anyways, that let's move forward from the blaming game. So now
Yeah.
the main thing is, Janvi, that how to build up
Hmm.
positivity for people who are really disturbed, who are going through, like you said, like I read in the paper also, you chose your path even little late, but it is like the bang on path, and after that also, like, it was 2018 and 19 when you got that, but I think till now you are using that in the best way, I think, among
I think that
everyone.
God's
That
hand is there
among,
on me. That's it.
yeah,
That is what I
because you're
feel. Like I have
using that.
nobody.
Yeah, because you're using that not just to promote beauty, but you're using, I keep, you keep going to these places, you keep, judging some shows, and the humble way it is. It's not the way that you are trying to show yourself out, but it's a humble way of showing yourself out. And after these years also, you are still using that platform, you are still using your capability to show people that it's never late to,
But don't
start
you
and
think,
believing
Anika,
in yourself.
every woman is beautiful in some or the other way? Why should we
Yes,
only look at
everyone.
outer beauty? If a person is beautiful inside, also you will find them. You know, you will be really happy to see a person like that. So I think every lady is a beautiful, and you gave them the platform to feel that. Because I have come to your this thing and I have seen that, I could see that confidence. You gave them a stage to walk on. You don't even know that, if you walk on the stage, your confidence goes like,
Yes.
you feel that okay, I have lived my life, I have done something in some or the other field. So they should get opportunities. I think ladies should get opportunities and they should take a stand to live for themselves. The problem is
Yes.
ladies feel that, there's so many women who feel that no, I've got married now, only sacrifice is my life, I have to sacrifice whole my life. It's not like that. You need to change things. Feel that if you take the first, you keep keep on blaming people. इसने रोका था, उसने रोका था, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Like I have seen in my own life, like everybody was there with me when I took this decision that I'm going. Everybody was there with me. My in-laws, my family, my friends, everyone was there with me. Yes, it was a very tough thing to do, but I think nothing is, you don't get anything easily, so you have to work hard on it. So very good.
Yeah.
I think everybody should live. Yeah.
And thank you for bringing up our group. And it was really, I never
My
bring up
group
the
too.
women this. Yeah, I
It's
never
my
bring
group
up women
too.
this. Yeah, but like you said that we have an amazing team. Like I would like to mention Deepika works a lot, and right now she's going through a little hard phase because she lost her mom. But you will not believe she is always on her call and helping people. She's always on her toes to help people more and more at this time also. So
Yeah.
yeah, I'm blessed to have a team. Like you said, it's important to have a good team. Team in the sense, or and now to it has become a family moreover. So it's important to have someone who fixes your crown, who fixes not only your crown, who fixes your heart also. Because we at some point our heart or minds are not very stable. So at that time, she is there for me and I'm there for her. So in that way, and even the people, even the members, I must say we are very blessed to have such souls who, really, really support each other. And even someone, if something goes wrong, we make it a point to make it, good, and explain thing in a good way, and so that see, in a family everything will not be always good, but it's on you how you handle it. And in the same way, in this pandemic also, not everything will be very, very good.
Yeah, I think
So
we
but
should ignore the negative things and we should hug the positive things. And I think
yeah.
you guys are blessed, and you guys are God's chosen one to help other people. Very God chooses very few people to help other people, because there are weak people who are unable to take their own care. But He has chosen you because He knew that you guys are strong, so you are able to take care of other people also. So Deepika and you guys are blessed. So He knew that your shoulders are very strong. So He has given
Mm.
the responsibility to take care of and uplift other ladies too. So
Like
amazing job.
like you have started this topic, and that means a lot, Janvi. See, this is the quality of a queen. I believe to uplift people even in your life. It is your day, you have brought this up. That means a lot, because you are looking out for helping girls, helping women see their potential in the best way.
Yeah,
So I
yeah,
should thank you for that. And like I said in the first sentence, I really, really like I said, you are queen of hearts for me. Because I always
that's
tell
just
you,
because.
it's not just here, you should agree. I always tell you
No,
this.
no, no, I will not agree. It's because the beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. If you are beautiful, you will always find other people also beautiful. So I feel your eyes are beautiful and you will find everybody beautiful. So the credit goes to you.
No, no, dear. ये तो हमारा चलता रहेगा. So, anyways, Janvi, thank you so much. It was a great positivity session, and it was like two friends chatting more,
Yes,
because see,
and we can go
the
on
top,
and on.
yeah, we can go on and on. So the
Yeah.
main idea was behind, to look at the little positive picture of this whole pandemic situation, or the situation that is very hard. Agreed, but it is not very impossible. Solutions can be taken out. So
Yeah,
let's,
we
and
shall
like,
overcome this. Because I was just telling in some other chat show that we have people have forgotten that we have overcome a pandemic, like a very polio was a very dangerous problem, and we have overcome with that also. So why not corona? The only thing is we need to open our eyes, and we should be more alert, and people should start taking vaccination, because there are no tablets for corona. So I think I should, on this platform, if we have got, we should definitely try and really, please tell people, please go and take vaccination whenever, wherever, and whichever is available.
available.
It
Yeah.
will really help us overcoming this problem because there is no other solution for corona. The only thing is social distancing, washing your hands, and God will also help you when you will we will help ourselves. So vaccination is really important, and I would like to tell people, please take vaccinations.
Yeah.
We want to
So
live normal life.
any last points that you have to just tell everyone, the last points of creating positivity through your everyday life?
I feel I always say that you should try to be happy so that you can make others also keep other people also happy around you who are surrounding you, because you cannot pour from an empty jar. So please keep
Yes.
yourself happy. And we don't there are so many things, but it depends on you what kind of news you want to hear or what kind of thoughts you want to go through. So please go through only positive thoughts, because if we think negative, we actually pull negative things down. The universe is literally helping that things pulling towards you. So please have those positive thoughts. I know it's very tough when you're going through a problem, but it's very necessary for all of us to only think positive so that we can fight this pandemic soon, and we shall overcome this soon, I'm sure about it. And be
Yes.
happy, be positive and negative that way. But please take care of yourself and stay home as much as we can so that we can start living our life normally.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, Janvi. It was a
My
pleasure
pleasure.
having you. Thank you so much and
Same
take
here.
care.
Always.
Yeah.
You too,
And good
darling.
night.
Take care. Yeah. Stay home, stay
Bye.
safe. Bye bye.